So I'm just gonna flaunt my hair a little bit here. See them curls be popping, y'all. Hi beauties, it's your girl Fabulous and Nappy, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time here, please be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell beside it to turn on your post notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified and can come and watch. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So as you can tell from the title, I'll be taking down these somewhat beautiful pink braids. So I've had these braids in for 2 weeks. Yes, for 2 weeks. And well, here's how it's looking in the back. You can still see the parts, and you can see the growths. You can see the growth. So I've had these in for 2 weeks. Within that time, I would, follow, doing my moisturization, try to keep everything good and clean. So it has served its purpose, and it's time for it to go. So I'm just trying to cut down, away from my natural hair. I'm so sad to take this down because I did have fun. Cut. So that's my pink beautiful hair gone. So right now I'm just standing up to show you guys how long this hair was, or still is, or was, whichever one. So there it is, below my bum. See where that is? Those are some inches. I love me some inches. So I love long hair, and I got these ones really long, so I did enjoy having them in. Lately I've been trying to do more colors. I've done blue, I've done pink. Maybe you guys can leave me a suggestion in the comment section which color you'd like to see me do next. I've done blue, I've done pink. I'm thinking of doing purple, but I'm not quite sure yet. But just leave me a comment in the comment section, please. Thank you. So I'm just speeding this up, cutting the hair. I'm all done, so I'm just gonna go ahead to unravel the braids. So for those of you who didn't already know, I got these braids myself. I'm gonna leave the link to the video on how I did these braids up, and I'm gonna leave it in the comment section, in the description box as well. So please be sure to check that out and watch that video after this one. So I'm just showing you guys how much length, how much growth I've had. You see that dirt? That's product buildup, right where my hand is, my left fingers are. That's product buildup. So from there to the root, that's how much growth I've had in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys. That's 2 weeks growth. Super impressive, right? I know. And the ends of my hair are kind of dry, so this wash day was pretty much needed. Very, very much needed. So I'm just unraveling the hair, and once I'm done with a few, I put them together, grab my spray bottle, and that's just water, there's nothing else in it. So I just spritz some water in it, saturate the hair, use my white tooth comb to detangle, because detangling in sections always makes the job easier as compared to undoing everything and then having to struggle. So I just detangle and then put that in a twist. You can put it in a twist, put it in a plait, whichever thing you'd like to do, just to keep it away. And then that's how much shedding I've had for that section. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So I've done a couple more, and then right here in the back, I just wanted to show you guys this one because, well, that section right there's a lot of buildup in it, and it's just held that part together. So I cannot comb through it. The comb couldn't go through. So what you have to do is to spritz water on it, really put water on it, like have it really saturated. I'm using my fingers to rub through to work that water through it, like, you know, just to soften it up. And then what you are gonna see me do next is to try to separate it. You guys, you do not want to pull on it, because if you do, you're gonna cut your hair, like you're gonna cause a lot of breakage, so you don't do that. So I can't quite explain this part, but as you can see, I'm pulling out the hair just like that. I cannot quite explain it, but you guys can see that. You can go back and rewatch it, like you can rewatch this part if you need to see that a bit more. So I'm just gently, don't mind, it looks like I'm being rough because, you know, the video is sped up, but in real time I'm actually doing this very slow, very gently. I'm not pulling the hair much or anything like that. I'm just taking my time to get through that, you know, all that product buildup. So if it's not enough, you just put in more water, saturate it, like rub it through, like work the water through that buildup, and then you pull out the hair gradually. Don't go all rough on it, okay? So I just kept pulling it out, like pulling out the little pieces of the hair. I kept doing that. You can add more water if you need to. So I pulled it out, and then boom, right there. Ugh, that's so gross. So if you done with that, you just go ahead and you can comb right through. Real good, real easy. So I'm done. I started to unravel the twists, but then I decided not to because I wanted to shampoo, and I wanted the shampoo to get through to the roots, to the scalp well without the hair interrupting. So I did that, shampooed my scalp very well, rinsed it out, and then took out the twists, and then I shampooed the rest of the hair to get all that build up out of my hair. So here's what it's looking like, freshly washed. I didn't condition because I was about to do a deep condition. Plus I'm running low on product right now, so I was just trying to, you know, economize as I can. But yeah, I shampooed. Hair is clean, no buildup, no nothing. So I'm just gonna go ahead to use my aloe vera to add moisture, like to deep condition my hair, because, you know, that's pretty much what wash day is all about. The main thing is getting your hair clean, getting more moisture back into that hair, you know, getting everything good. So I'm working in sections. I just take an aloe vera leaf. I already prepared it. Maybe if you'd like to see a video on that, you can let me know. So I just take an aloe vera leaf, apply the gel directly to my scalp, my hair, and then what I'm doing right now is I'm just using my fingers to poke it to get more of that gel out, and then I apply it to my hair. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Apply as much as needed, apply all around, open up that section, apply some in between, get the ends of your hair, very necessary, very important, get the ends of your hair. So I applied enough, use my white tooth comb to detangle the hair. That section was a little too big, so I split it into two again, and then, you know, I detangled very well, and then I'm gonna put that section away in a twist. Don't forget to get your scalp though. Right, I'm putting more on my scalp, detangle some more, and then I twist that section away, and then that's it. I just, you know, did that for the whole of my head. So that's the last section. So the hair was already getting dry, so what you want to do is just grab your spray bottle with water and then spritz a bit on it. Look at that gel, get that all over the place. Again, using my nails to poke the leaf to get more gel out, and then I apply that to my hair, open up, apply some more gel in between that section, detangle very well, y'all. and detangle from end to the root. Don't just start at the root and you know that's gonna break the hair. So take your time, detangle from the ends to the root. So I'm just gonna flaunt my hair a little bit here. See them curls be popping, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. My hair is it's good. It felt really healthy at this point. So yeah, I'm all done. I'm just gonna go ahead. I still had some more leaves, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that and apply more gel, or like the aloe vera gel. Apply that all over my scalp. Poke the leaf to get more gel out. Apply that all over, like get your hair really, I got my hair really saturated in that. So that's pretty much it. Poke it, get gel out, apply that to my scalp. So I applied that really good. Then I just grab my scalp massager and massage my scalp, massage that well, you know, to stimulate that hair growth. You know, get everything in there. Aloe vera has a whole lot of benefits, y'all. It reduces itches, reduces dandruff, it helps to moisturize your hair, and it just does a whole lot of good stuff for your hair, y'all. I love it so much, and it's really inexpensive. Like, it's the cheapest. So I grab a plastic bag. You can grab a plastic bag or your shower cap. Just get your hair all tucked up in there. Nice. That's how much shedding I had from this whole process. Well, it was within the average, so yeah. So it was dark and I just went inside. I grabbed my hooded bonnet dryer, if that's right. Yeah, a hooded bonnet dryer. I'm just getting that on my hair, getting that secured, and then I'm gonna connect that to the blow dryer at the bottom of it. I'm gonna connect that to the blow dryer, and then I'm gonna plug it in and turn it on. Hi guys, so I'm all done. Let's take this off. I know it's a mess. So I just left the hair in the hooded dryer for I think about 30 minutes. After that, I took a shower and then I just rinsed out the aloe vera, but I didn't undo the twist. As you can see, I just left it in the twist. I rinsed the hair like that because it's nighttime. I'm tired, y'all. Like, I'm so tired, so I don't want to undo it and then rinse the hair and after come back and start, you know, trying to do twists or plaits or combos or something. I'm just so tired. Wash day is a whole process, y'all. It's a whole tiring process. So I'm just so tired right now. I just couldn't bear the risk of, you know, I couldn't bear the risk of having to undo this twist and then sit now to start redoing them. That's just a whole lot of work. So I just rinsed them in this twist. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched up to this point, I'm so grateful. I love you so much. Thank you. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so that the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified and can come and watch. I'm thinking about doing recording a video on how to stretch your natural hair with heat, because I've done a video on how to stretch without heat. You can find that here. I think here you can find that video. Just click up here to watch that video. So I'm thinking about doing a video probably tomorrow on how to stretch your natural hair with heat. I haven't decided yet, but just subscribe so that whenever I do that video, you will be aware of it and you can come and watch. If you haven't liked the video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Like the video, check out my other videos as well. Follow me on my socials, book an appointment with me. I do hair, My hairstylist, braids and wigs, everything wigs, coloring treatment, revamping stroke treatment. So I do coloring. I cannot even think right now, but I do braids and everything wigs. So be sure to book an appointment. I'll leave the link to my business WhatsApp down below. You can click that to book an appointment. Guys, my mind is blank. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.